Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We are in Bali, and when I say we, I mean myself. You know me, it's Jonny Bradley, and there's Anwar Griffiths with the shades.
What's going on?
Looking peng. It's all good. So today's video, I'm just going to be talking about why the hell I'm in Bali, what we're doing, the strategy behind it. Got loads of kind of cool clips to show you, so make sure you stick around for that. Let's get into the video straight away. Right, so the first thing is this is the second place that we've actually come to, and I will show you some shots later on. But the first place we went to was pretty sick. So let's actually cut to a couple of days ago when we arrived in Bali. What's up, everybody? Currently at the house in Bali. So this is Ollie Chapman's place right now. If you guys don't know Ollie Chapman, I'll put his link in the description. Social media marketing. So he came out to Bali a couple of weeks ago. Got this place, which is really sick. And then I happened to be coming out the same sort of time. So I was like, hey, let's come chill, go to your place. And then now today, he is going home. He's flying to Australia. Me and Anwar over there, if you can see him, if you remember Cheese Chaser, way back when, he's over there. So we're gonna go to another place in Bali today, which is where we're staying. Not quite the size of this place. Like, this is like 4-bedroom, like massive. Like, I'll show you some shots. I'll show you some B-roll. Run the B-roll. Explain to you guys why I came to Bali when I really didn't need to, and just my mentality behind why I think it's a good idea to sometimes change your location to change your state. As we do that, I'm just going to kind of show you around the place, give you an idea of what it's like in Bali if you've never been. If you have, then you're going to know what it's like, and if you haven't, hopefully you're going to probably visit. One of the big things is it's super cheap to live here. Food is dirt cheap. I think like eating out is maybe £1 or £2 per meal, which is pretty cool. We are in an Airbnb at the moment. This Airbnb is probably about, I think it's like 70 or £80 a night, so it's not very expensive. It's like a 2-bedroom villa with staff as well, so we have breakfast cooked in the morning, cleaning and stuff like that. So this is the kind of outside, well, the top area where the kitchen is, the living room is, and there's like an outside. There's no doors, so there's loads of bugs and crap like that. And I'll show you downstairs in a second. But one of the big reasons I wanted to come out to Bali, let's just move this up a bit. Oh, wrong way. Repping the merch, link in the description, by the way. One of the reasons I came out to Bali is because when you are an entrepreneur or you work at home, sometimes it can get quite stale if you'll have the same environment every single day. And I kind of feel that I become like a busy idiot where I'll be doing things just because I've got nothing else to do and nothing else to go and see. Whereas when I come out, like when I'm on holiday, when I was in Dubai a couple of weeks ago, when I'm here in Bali now, like because you want to go and do things, you want to go and like eat out, you want to go and see waterfalls and stuff like that, you basically try and do the most minimum required to generate income. And if you want to be efficient, then that's all about putting the least amount of effort in and getting the most amount of results out. And that's not about being lazy. That's like if you have an engineer, and an engineer's job, for example, if they're making an engine, is to put as little amount of fuel into the engine to get the biggest amount of mileage, to get the most amount of power out of the engine. And your mind is the same thing. You want to put as little effort in to get the biggest return out. So what I find is when I'm away is I actually work a lot better in terms of productivity, because I do the things that are most important first. And then after that, I'll do the things that maybe aren't so important, because if I don't do them, it's not going to be the end of the world. I'm not going to lose business over it. I'm not going to lose sleep over it. So that was one of the main reasons I wanted to come out here, because well, first of all, it's very, very cheap, so that you can come out and you can live, a nice lifestyle. You can eat out every single day, every single morning, like noon and lunch, live in a nice place, and do it actually very, very cheaply compared to the UK. The second reason is I felt I would actually be able to work a bit more efficiently, and there's like 3 or 4 things I wanted to work on while I was here. So let me just show you in the bedroom. So we've got these kind of big glass doors, and then in here we've got like a bed and stuff. Obviously it's a bedroom, some stuff. And then my room kind of looks out onto this. It's a little pool. It's big enough. We haven't actually been in it yet. It's I've been here like 3 days now. Haven't actually been in it. So one of the first things I'm doing is I'm working on my Amazon course. You guys might know this if you follow my channel. I'm just thinking about ways of adding like extra content in terms of like advanced strategies. So some of the advanced strategies, particularly marketing strategies, I've been spending quite a while testing things, learning particularly, and I'm just kind of planning that out in terms of what that's going to look like. And the other thing I'll be doing is planning and recording a webinar. So that's going to be happening over the next week or so. It's going to take me about a week to organise, and hopefully I'll be get done by the end. Got a little desk set up as well, which is pretty cool. Mad desk. So that's one thing that I'll be working on. That's kind of like my main task for the week. Of course, I have to answer all my emails and do every like normal business as usual tasks. That's the main thing. Second thing is that I'm here with Anwar. So you guys, if you have followed the channel, if you're an OG subscriber, you'll recognise this guy. You'll know who he is. Literally a year ago. You might know him by the pseudonym Cheese Chaser. Chasing cheese all the time, stacking cheddar. So I came out with him. He does a lot of cryptocurrency. So you've just been kind of passively
stacking crypto whilst just buy the dip, guys. Buy the dip.
Buy the
That's all
dip.
I can say.
So you literally said earlier when we were by the pool, like you need to buy some crypto today.
Yeah, because the market's down today. I'm trying to accumulate for the long term. So the market still might go down, but overall, I want to hold for the next 2 or 3 years and just stack as much as I can, because I really think it's going to go a lot higher than market cap.
It's good to pop. So one of the things I'll be doing is learning a bit more from Anwar. Anwar's told me loads about crypto, pretty much everything I know, I guess.
Not everything, but
a
few tips here and there.
A few tips here and there. So I'll be kind of learning a lot from him, which is a good time, because normally like we'll chat on the phone and stuff, but it's different when you're in person because you can collaborate, you can strategize. We've been doing a lot of strategy. We had a mojito strategy session with Ollie Chapman.
That was a dope night.
Yeah,
really
so
good. As soon as we got off the plane, it was just like crack out the drinks, and with the drinks came a lot of good ideas, and Ollie was able to contribute a lot of new stuff that we hadn't thought of before. And yeah,
it's like masterminding, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're quite lucky actually, because we're out here. Obviously, me and Anwar are here. Ollie Chapman, who you guys might know if you've been on the channel for a while. We saw him the other day. We've also got my Instagram guy Dan, and another Instagram guy as well. They're actually here just again. So we're going to do some collaborating. We're going to do some strategy talk, and just look at how we can again mastermind and pull all our thoughts together, and just come up with new strategies going forward. And I think that's one of the big things, again, why we wanted to come out. So I wanted to get some time to actually spend on business and to look for future plans rather than worry about the daily activities. Is what's the next 6 months, what is the next year going to be, and what do we have to do today to make those results, I guess, come, what's the right word, come to fruition,
come to
right?
fruition.
So, for example, we've been working with Dan. I might get him in the vlog some point, maybe, if he wants to be in it.
We're going to go to the gym together later.
Exactly. Going to go to the gym. We'll probably show you one shot of me looking weak and one shot of Anwar looking hench.
The other thing we've been doing is, I think one thing we both really want to get better at over the course of the next 7-8 days is to improve our cinematography skills.
Yeah. And
we've been learning how to shoot B-roll on YouTube. Jonny's pretty good at it already. I'm not as good as him, but together, when we're working together, we've actually learned so much in the last day or two, just from experimenting with different ways of using the Canon G7X. So I bought one at Heathrow, and Johnny's been showing me how to use it, but it's just so good. I just think it's such an important skill to be able to take good cinema, how do you say, it's like just finesse. Just finesse the video, because we're good at taking photos, but one thing we really want to incorporate more into our social media is really just making everything just have finesse in general, and just slick, polished. And I really think it just helps to build your personal brand or a business. It doesn't have to be a personal brand, but just being able to take good quality video, I think, is a trend that will probably get bigger and bigger over the next couple of years. It can't hurt.
You'll never, like, being able to take video, you can obviously be a videographer, but if you can do it for yourself, I think that's another main thing. If I came out by myself, and I nearly did, I wouldn't have been able to take any content of me.
It's great,
it's quite hard.
You can help. This is the thing, right? When you go away with someone who has similar ambitions or goals to yourself, then you're able to just bounce ideas off each other and help each other to take content of each other, right? So Jonny can now take pictures and video of me, and I can take pictures and video of Jonny, and it's just honestly, would you say it's like 10 times better to do that rather than coming on your own? Because if you have to record video of yourself, you have to set it up, walk over, then walk back to the camera, walk back over again. It's just too long.
It's certainly not passive, that's for sure. So for example, we spent probably like an hour, maybe? What was it, an hour and a half?
After breakfast.
Just recording some stuff over there. I might show you some stuff right now. And what we did yesterday is, maybe the day before, is we just went on YouTube. This is why YouTube is so powerful, right? You can learn pretty much anything on YouTube. We wanted to get better at B-roll footage. So if you don't know what B-roll footage is, guys, it's like, I think the guy said it's like A-roll is like your main content, was it? And then the B-roll is just things that you can put in between different scenes that you're doing, or again, cut scenes and stuff like that.
So the A-roll also is kind of more when you're speaking into the camera and you've got voice, right? But B-roll complements it by just being like a visual of the setting, and then you can talk over that or have audio over the B-roll. Exactly.
So that's what we've been working on. In terms of things that we're going to be doing other than that, so his main thing is just work on my Amazon course and kind of sales end, because it could definitely be a bit more slick. I've been working on my Amazon business this morning a little bit. Got some Instagram stuff going on, got the crypto going on, filming a lot of content, trying to get it look a little bit better. So let me know in the comments if you think it's any better. That's for sure. Let me know down below. Smash the like button if you think it is. And then we're going to go do some like quad bike riding, like rafting, and look at waterfalls and stuff like that. So I will prepare another video for you all probably in a few days that again has a little bit more production quality. And then I might smash out a tutorial of some sorts as well. If there's anything you guys want to know about anything, if it's about Amazon, affiliate marketing and personal branding, smash it down in the comments and I will see if I can get that video out to you guys. But for today, this is going to be the video. Make sure you do like this video. Smash the like button if you like the video. If you're in Bali at the moment, hit me up on the DMs. Subscribe if you're not already. Merch in the description. Shout out to everyone that is posting their pictures wearing their t-shirts in the groups, which is wicked. It's awesome to see. I'm glad they fit and that they're nice quality as well.
Repping it right now.
Yeah, I'm repping it right now, mate. I brought a couple out. But we are going to actually probably go to the gym in a second, and then
take some footage later.
Take some more footage. But that's going to be it. Thank you ever so much, guys. I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.